talk about how can you disable voice connected on your Discord app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, you just go down here, you click on you down here. So when you just click here on you, then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. You go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then you just scrolling down here. So initially we found here notifications, just click on it. Then here you will find list like this. You click here on get notification outside of Discord. Here click on it. So then here it's going to take you to this list. Click on notifications. Then you click here on notification categories. So then you will find here voice connected. Click in this sign or this color. Like you see color is gone here, that's mean voice connected, disable with us now. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.